Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Caring Guy. If you're looking for a fun, powerful, and easy-to-fly drone that won't break the bank, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking to the skies with a fantastic new drone that's making some serious waves, the A26 Optical Flow Drone. Let's dive in and see what this drone can do. Unmatched control and superior cameras. First off, let's talk about the visuals. The A26 comes equipped with an 8K dual camera. This means you can switch perspectives and adjust your shooting angle remotely, giving you complete creative control over your shots. The camera can be electrically adjusted up to 180 degrees, allowing you to capture stunning, high-definition photos and videos from any angle. The optical flow positioning system ensures that the drone can accurately hold its position, making it incredibly easy for beginners to control and ensuring a steady platform for capturing sharp, clear photos and videos. Intelligent safety and fun features. The A26 is built with safety in mind. It features a revolutionary 360 degrees all-round obstacle avoidance system that intelligently detects and maneuvers around obstacles in every direction. This provides a worry-free flying experience and significantly reduces the risk of collisions, allowing you to fly with confidence, even in complex environments. The fun doesn't stop there. The A26 is packed with intelligent flight modes to enhance your creative freedom, including 3 different flight speeds, from a gentle 3 meters per second to a zippy 6 meters per second. Power and portability. The A26 is built to perform. It's equipped with a 716 motor, which provides responsive and stable control. With a flight time of approximately 15 minutes and a charging time of just 60 minutes, you'll have plenty of time in the air. The drone's compact, foldable design makes it highly portable. With folded dimensions of just 13.7 by 11.4 by 5 centimeters, it can easily be carried in a small bag. Final thoughts: the ultimate all-in-one drone. The A26 Optical Flow Drone is a fantastic blend of professional features, safety, and a user-friendly design. Its stunning 8K camera with an adjustable dual lens and intelligent obstacle avoidance makes it a standout choice for both beginners and experienced pilots. If you're looking to elevate your aerial photography game, the A26 Drone is definitely one you should check out. Thanks for watching. If you liked this review, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and let us know what you think of this amazing drone in the comments below.